Unlock the key to financial freedom and join the ranks of millionaires by harnessing the unparalleled potential of ChatGPT. Hello and welcome back to an exciting journey into the realm of possibilities with ChatGPT, your gateway to potential wealth and success. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is more than just a language model, it's a catalyst for transformation. In this video, we'll delve into how you can harness the power of ChatGPT to pave your path to millionaire status. From content creation to consultancy services, we'll explore the diverse avenues that await you. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets to financial prosperity with ChatGPT as your trusted companion. Let's dive in. Content creation. In the dynamic landscape of online content, ChatGPT emerges as a formidable ally for creators seeking efficiency and excellence. With its ability to generate text that mirrors human language, the possibilities are boundless. Imagine effortlessly crafting compelling articles, engaging blog posts, and shareable social media content at an unprecedented speed. Whether you're a seasoned writer looking to amplify your productivity, or an aspiring content creator navigating the digital space, ChatGPT has you covered. Its proficiency in producing high-quality human-like text not only saves time, but also opens doors to new revenue streams. Monetize your creations by offering tailored content to businesses hungry for fresh marketing material or individuals seeking captivating narratives. With ChatGPT as your creative companion, the process becomes not just streamlined, but a catalyst for innovation. Dive into the realm of content creation, where your ideas meet the efficiency of ChatGPT, propelling you towards new heights in the digital landscape. Copywriting. In the fast-paced world of marketing and advertising, captivating copy can make all the difference. Enter ChatGPT, your secret weapon for crafting compelling and persuasive content that drives conversions. With its ability to generate text that resonates with audiences, ChatGPT revolutionizes the art of copywriting. Picture this: headlines that grab attention, product descriptions that entice, and calls to action that compel action, all effortlessly created with the assistance of ChatGPT. Whether you're promoting a new product, launching an ad campaign, or refining your brand messaging, ChatGPT empowers you to deliver messaging that stands out in a crowded digital landscape. Gone are the days of writer's block and endless revisions. With ChatGPT, you can unleash your creativity and produce copy that captivates your audience from the first word to the last. Harness the power of language and data-driven insights to craft persuasive narratives that resonate with your target demographic. Elevate your marketing efforts and boost your ROI with ChatGPT as your trusted ally in the realm of copywriting. Together, let's redefine what it means to connect with consumers in a meaningful and impactful way. Customer service. In the digital age, providing exceptional customer service is paramount to business success. Enter ChatGPT, revolutionizing the customer service landscape with its unmatched capabilities in automation and efficiency. By leveraging ChatGPT, businesses can streamline their customer support processes and enhance the overall experience for their clientele. Imagine a world where customer inquiries are met with prompt and accurate responses, available 24/7. With ChatGPT, this becomes a reality. From answering frequently asked questions to providing assistance with product inquiries and troubleshooting, ChatGPT-enabled chatbots offer a seamless and efficient customer service experience. Moreover, ChatGPT's natural language processing abilities enable chatbots to engage in real-time conversations, simulating human interaction with unparalleled accuracy. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up valuable human resources to focus on more complex tasks. By incorporating ChatGPT-powered chatbots into their customer service workflows, businesses can reduce response times, minimize errors, and ultimately, cultivate stronger relationships with their customers. Creating and selling a chatbot. In today's digital landscape, businesses are constantly seeking innovative solutions to enhance their operations and customer interactions. Enter ChatGPT, the game-changer in chatbot development and deployment. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT empowers developers to create chatbots that offer unparalleled levels of sophistication and interactivity. Imagine crafting a chatbot that not only understands user queries, but responds in a manner that mirrors human conversation. With ChatGPT, this vision becomes a reality. Whether it's assisting with customer inquiries, facilitating sales transactions, or providing personalized recommendations, ChatGPT-powered chatbots deliver a seamless and engaging user experience. The opportunities for creating and selling chatbots are endless. Businesses across various industries, from e-commerce to healthcare, are eager to integrate chatbot solutions into their workflows. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, developers can create customized chatbots tailored to meet the specific needs of their clients. Moreover, the market for chatbot solutions is booming, presenting lucrative opportunities for developers to monetize their creations. Whether you're an independent developer looking to sell pre-built chatbot templates or a development agency offering bespoke chatbot solutions, ChatGPT opens doors to a thriving market hungry for innovative technology. Consultancy. As businesses strive to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital landscape, the demand for expertise in leveraging advanced technologies such as ChatGPT continues to soar. Enter the realm of consultancy, where your mastery of ChatGPT can pave the way for lucrative opportunities. As a ChatGPT consultant, you possess invaluable insights and skills that businesses are eager to tap into. From guiding organizations in setting up and training ChatGPT models to advising on optimal integration strategies, your expertise is in high demand. Businesses recognize the potential of ChatGPT to revolutionize their operations, but many lack the technical knowledge and expertise to harness it effectively. That's where you come in. By offering consultancy services, you can bridge the gap between cutting-edge technology and real-world applications, helping businesses unlock the full potential of ChatGPT to drive innovation and growth. Whether you're an independent consultant or part of a specialized firm, the opportunities for consultancy in the ChatGPT space are vast and diverse. Embrace your role as a trusted advisor and embark on a journey to empower businesses with the transformative capabilities of ChatGPT. Getting started. Embarking on your journey to harness the power of ChatGPT is an exciting endeavor filled with endless possibilities. While a basic understanding of machine learning models and coding can be beneficial, it's not a prerequisite for success. Numerous online resources, tutorials, and guides are available to help you navigate the initial learning curve and get started with ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a novice enthusiast, these resources provide valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of natural language processing and understanding how ChatGPT operates. Experiment with simple prompts and explore the diverse range of responses generated by the model. As you gain confidence, gradually expand your knowledge and explore more advanced applications of ChatGPT. Remember, learning is a continuous process, and experimentation is key to unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT. Embrace curiosity, stay persistent, and soon you'll be on your way to mastering this powerful tool and uncovering new opportunities for creativity and innovation. In conclusion, ChatGPT stands as a powerful tool for those with the creativity and willingness to learn and experiment. Whether you're creating content, crafting compelling copy, providing customer service, developing chatbots, or offering consultancy services, the opportunities to earn a profit are vast. As technology evolves, new possibilities will likely emerge. So, embrace the potential, stay ethical, and who knows, you might just be on your way to becoming a ChatGPT millionaire. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more amazing content on our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey. And until next time, keep dreaming big and coding on.